Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. I run across this video today. It's Biden. I don't know if he can make it another 2 years or not. I think he's completely losing his mind. These foreigners are, they're having a ball.
Now for Indians?
They calling Kamala Harris Nurse Harris. Check this out. You guys tell me what you think on this one. We'll watch this together. Here we go.
But first, let's check in with the leader of the free world, the president who secured more votes than any other in history. Here he is talking about his Veep, Kamala Harris.
You elected the highest ranking black Indian with Indian background woman in American history to be vice president.
Wow.
I don't know. Is there a ranking system now for Indians? That's what he said. Here are the president's precise words. You elected the highest ranking black Indian with Indian background woman in American history to be vice president. Now, I'm not aware of this ranking system for black Indians with Indian background, which seems to exist in Joe's head. But the vice president was in this week used to good effect by the White House. We've all seen clips of Biden regularly looking dazed and confused coming off stage. We've even seen a giant bunny act as his handler, ordering him to move along when asked tricky questions about Afghanistan, questions like, why did you abandon Americans there? But this week, it wasn't a bunny. As President Biden put it, it was a highest-ranking black Indian of Indian background who stepped in to stop Joe wandering aimlessly after an appearance. Take it away, Nurse Kamala. Who knows? Perhaps it was Kamala in that bunny suit all along.
Wow. But what you guys think? Is he going to make it another 2 years or what? Come on, 2024 needs to come on. I don't know what's going on with this man, our president. But anyway, you guys leave comments and tell me what you think. I think I seen another video earlier where everybody shook hands and he forgot that he shook this particular person's hand, and he was holding his hand out there again to shake the hand. Oh my God. But anyway, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.